Breaking news, nearly 100 people are confirmed dead in an earthquake in southwestern China, state media reports. The magnitude 6.8 quake struck near the city of Shigatse in the Tibet region. Tremors were felt in neighboring countries. Let's turn now to Janice Mackey-Frayer, who is in China. Janice, good morning. Bring us up to date on the latest.
Francis, this was a strong earthquake at a remote high altitude in the Himalayas, with a rescue operation now underway in freezing cold conditions. The epicenter was located in Dongri County, about 50 miles from Mount Everest. It's also near one of Tibet's holiest cities called Shigatse, with a population of nearly 650,000. Officials say at least 95 people have been killed, more than 100 injured. These are early estimates as rescuers push into the area. It was a 7.1 magnitude quake by USGS estimates, about 6 miles deep, and shook buildings in Nepal, Bhutan, and parts of India. More than 1,000 houses damaged. Some have collapsed. Videos on social media here and state broadcasters showing destroyed homes with walls torn apart and rubble everywhere. This area of Tibet is home to about 60,000 people. It's considered the Chinese gateway to Mount Everest. Earthquakes not uncommon in this region, which lies on a fault line, but this was the most powerful recorded quake there in years, and there's also jolting aftershocks. China's military has launched a rescue operation, and they're using drones to assess where help is needed most as those winter temperatures are set to drop. Francis?
I'm hoping for the best possible outcome there in those rescues. Janice, thank you.
那么林姐，这人真把就我死了，不要能给出这孤单，干嘛俺这么多？现在中间定的中，俺不能中，他在中，啥叫中？电节中，接了3元节，国家全部穷节，并且蒙蔽所学不当，并且蒙蔽，更严了，你在直接穷啊！ 越家王啊，这见那么了，土孙修。现在那么连接的，光那么了，土没有看嘛，囊容，干成起。